Hey, what up, guys? It's your boy Saint coming to you with another episode on the Godism series. Greet you all in love and light. It's another full moon, so we're about to do some beautiful sigil magic for this full moon. So today, I wanted to do a sigil that is very open to the things that we all want to manifest in our lives. So for you, it might be financial. To someone else, it might be the twin flame. For someone else, it might be psychic abilities. For someone else, it might be healing, or it could be anything. It could be physical, it could be spiritual, it could be, anything in your life. All right. So one thing I love doing is always anchoring our desires within our heart space. So today I'm going to do a statement like, I attract my heart's desires now. Okay, so I'm using the statement and I'm using now as in the now, the present moment, because that's where we want to manifest our stuff. We want to manifest our stuff in the now. We don't want to be thinking about waiting for it to come and stuff like that, because the astral and the higher dimensions work with now. They work with stuff manifesting in the now, in the present, because there is no past and future and all of that. It's only now. Well, that's another video for another time. So you know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna take away the vowels from the statement, all right? And then we're gonna remove the repeating letters. While you're doing this, you are focusing on your goal. You're focusing on the desired end. That's gonna empower every step of the sigil making. While you're doing this, your intention is fixed on what you want to manifest in your life. All right? So I'm removing the I. I'm gonna speed this up. And then we're gonna be left with the letters. So I'll remove the I. Here we go, guys. That's what we left with. It's such an amazing statement because we got such a lengthy statement, but then we left with these beautiful, simple letters. All right, now we're gonna create the sigil process. Remember, you can stop this video right now and just use the letters and create your own sigil out of these letters. That's what you could do. Or what you can do is watch the rest of the video and then use my sigil or our sigil that we create and charge it. Right? You can charge it anyway. I got a video on my YouTube. Actually, I got a video in private, but what I'm gonna do when I'm done with this is remove it from private, so you guys can go check out how to charge a sigil. There's many ways to do a sigil and there's many ways to charge a sigil. All right, so use the energies that you have at your disposal. This is the easy way to manifest what you desire in your life. All right, so we're gonna start with the T. Remember, we're trying to make this as simple as possible. So I'm not feeling to put the T straight. I'm gonna put it slanted. So I'll put that T slanted. I'll go down with that T, down with that T, down with that T, down with that T. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now we're gonna we're done with the T, we're gonna go to the R. Now I could either put the R this side. With that line, I get the R. But now I also want to cancel out that C as well. So if I put the R going this way, I get the R and the C. So here we go. This line will be the top of the C and the R. And then I slant it. So then we got the C. You see? And then we got the R line going down. So that's beautiful. All right. That is beautiful. So now we got the T, we got the C, we got the R. So bang, bang. Now we got M, all right? Now I could either just put an M there or something like that. But I want to make this sigil magical looking, all right? So I'm gonna use this M. I'm gonna go with this line, which is that, and then I'm gonna go there. And then, actually, let me bring this line all the way down. Let me bring this line on, because there's already a line here, right? From the top of the T, I'll bring this line all the way down, connected with that line. And then as it's connected with that line going there, I'll bring it here. And then I'll bring it there. Look at that. And that's a beautiful M. So then we strike off the M. We left it Y. Why I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Why I'm not gonna worry about it. See what I did there? Is because Y is upside down already in the mix. All right, one part of the Y could be right here. You see that? There we go. Right here. There's a line coming down, and there's the other line going this way. That is a Y right there. All right, or I could say this line from there to there, and that line going all the way there is an upside down Y. So we're not going to worry about Y. So Y is already striked off. Now we left with H. Now H is a tricky one. Where do we put H? H is a tricky one. I might just go a little bit high with H. I might just go a little bit high with H. I might come down with a line here, there, and then I'm gonna go with another line there, like that, like that. So now we got the H in. S, the infamous S, the infamous S. We're gonna go with S from this angle. So we'll go with the S, which is already the top of the C, and then we'll come with it down, and then we'll do this with it. Here we go. So now not only did we do an S, but we also did a D. S out, D out, N, there's it right here. So N out. W is basically an upside down M, which we already have. So basically it's upside down. So strike off W. And here we go, guys. Sigil done. Remember, every step of this process, keeping the visualization of your desired end. Not only that, you also saying the mantra in your head, I attract my heart's desires. I attract my heart's desires while you're drawing the sigil. Alright, simple as that. I'm going to do it in the marker now. First, let me do a circle around it. Remember, we're doing it clockwise for things that we're attracting to ourselves, and anti-clockwise for things that we are breaking habits or letting go of or we don't want in our lives or anything like that. But never put something negative into your system, because sigils go through you. You are the universe, so it goes through you. So never use a negative thing, like maybe you want to put a hex on someone. It's gonna have to go through you. So if you're saying, I now make so and so sick, you would have to put the sigil into your space first in order for it to come out in the universe. So in other words, you might get sick yourself. That's how karma is. All right, so we're gonna do a circle clockwise, and while I'm doing that, I am focusing on my desired end, and I'm even visualizing or feeling the emotions that go with what it is I am manifesting. I attract my heart's desires now. 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 Okay, we got a circle done. Beautiful. We never lift up the pen. Old parchment, voodoo techniques, and we just sealing in that energy. And now I'm gonna go in and just marker everything down. We'll speed this up. Not lifting up the pen down all the way. Let me start here. Perfect, guys. Here you go. There's your sigil. All you gotta do is print that out and just go over it with a marker of your choice. Maybe print it out very light so you can just see a little bit of it and go over it with your marker, embedding your energy in it. And then once you're done with the center, then you seal it up with your intentions. Remember, visualizing that intention, feeling that intention, feeling that joy, and then further on charging the sigil. So you can charge it with some crystals around it, with some candles if you like, according to what you're manifesting. If you're manifesting finance, then you'd have like that beautiful crystal plus a green candle and some oils that work with that there. Or you can just check out my video on how to charge sigils in other ways and forms, or check out a couple of videos on YouTube how to charge sigils. So yeah, man, absolutely beautiful. Okay, check that out. Thank you guys once again. Thank you guys for being here. Love and light. Remember, stay godly. You are powerful, and use every tool in your disposal to elevate, to raise your frequency, to anchor, and to tap into higher frequencies, higher energies. Those energies are always around you. They're just begging for you to tap into them. So use everything, every tool that is given to you to do so, and make your life a blissful life. Make your life a godly life. You don't have to be going through crap. All right, you don't have to. You can, just go beyond all of that stuff with the tools that you have and with tapping into your godly aspect. So do that. Love and light. Thank you for being here. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that like and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos, especially when it comes to videos like this where time is of the essence and the full moon is already here, and here I go dropping a sigil. So you have to do it quick, you know. So if you didn't have that bell icon, you know, you won't get a notification. So really guys, hit that bell icon and share this video, you know, for people who need this help, who need these simple tools in order to manifest their desires. This is taking prayer to another level. All right. So no matter what religion or lifestyle you live in, believe this is taking prayer, taking chanting, taking affirmations to another level. That's what it is. Now, law of attraction is on another level. You are switching the channel, switching the station, tuning in to a different level. All right? Be powerful, y'all.